Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It is officially December. It's December 1st. And I just can't believe how fast this year has gone by. It's insane. Don't mind my makeup. This is my makeup from last night. But girl, I will be getting myself together later. I am currently in the car. I just dropped Garrett off. He's changing real fast because he spent the night last night. I'm in a cute little outfit. I got my off-white customs on. I got my new IMG gear on. I love these pants from Brandy Melville. And yeah, it's raining though, so I'm still not feeling myself that much. And I don't know why my nose looks really red on the camera. But I need to stop looking up here anyways. Don't worry guys, I'll get the hang of things again here soon. It is actually me and Garrett's 6-month anniversary since we've been dating. And we are going to breakfast for it. And I then am going to drop him off and he's gonna watch some football with the boys. Cause you know, Saturdays are for the boys now. But yeah, I will keep you updated.
Hey guys.
So we made it to first watch, but then there was a very long line. So
we're hitting TJ Maxx.
We hit TJ Maxx and roamed around, touched some soft things.
Touched some blankets.
There was a lot of soft blankets in there. Now we're heading to Steinmart. That's our update.
Big Saturday plan.
Yeah, great day. It's raining. It's raining and I look really dumb. But my friend Britt wants me to watch this keg race with her. And it's a bunch of like fraternity and sorority people and I haven't seen them in a long time. So I told her I'd go. Might regret it. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog unless it starts raining a little more. I'm wearing my new jacket, so hopefully it doesn't get ruined. But my friend Britt has this jacket too, and she said it wouldn't. So taking her word on that, we'll keep you updated. This is the mood, guys. If we're underneath this, we're not in the keg race. We're just watching. So I have left the party. I'm kind of feeling myself. My hands are so cold. I'm just like so cold. I am about to order some Skyline. If you don't know what Skyline is, Cincinnati has this really good chili that you put on spaghetti, and that sounds probably so weird for a lot of you guys that don't know what it is, but it's amazing. It's just like my guilty pleasure. So I'm about to order that, and then I think Garrett wants to go out tonight, and I told him I was down because I've just had a really good day, and why not? It's Saturday. It's the Saturday before grinding really hard for studying for finals this week and then having finals the next week. So I won't be going out next weekend, I'm pretty sure. You know, it's been a really fun weekend so far. And yeah, I'm super excited to finally get warm because I've been outside all day and eat some food. So it is the next morning, but I just woke up around 10 o'clock and it is like almost 11 o'clock, so I've just been laying in bed and I'm kind of gross, but I just wanted to end the vlog here. Sorry that I didn't have too much context in this vlog. Basically just brought you to a keg race, which didn't, it was just raining, so it didn't even end up being a keg race, and I wasn't even a part of it anyways. I was just kind of like pretending to ox with my friend, and we were just like dancing a bunch, and it was super fun. And then I came home and took the longest nap ever, and then I ordered some sushi. And then also I ordered some Skyline And then my boyfriend came over and then we just fell asleep. He just left. Now, I'm so sorry I didn't have my video up yesterday. That keg race was so last minute. I wasn't gonna go to it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What is up, you guys? It is Sarah and it is day 3 of Vlogmas. Today I'm getting kind of a late start to my day. I kind of misjudged how long it took to edit a video. And oh my god, I got a lot of footage for day 1 of Vlogmas. And I'm really excited to start editing day 2, but I forgot how slow my computer gets after editing like a 30-minute video. So I am exporting that right now. It actually took me 4 hours to edit that. It's already, I like woke up and it's the first thing I did. It's already 1:45 p.m. I had my coffee today and that's all I've had today. So I am about to make some food, but I'm really excited to get Vlogmas day 1 up and see what you guys think about it and what I should change. I made a little intro. I figured out how I want my thumbnails to be and I'm really excited. So I am wearing my favorite little, what's this called, a cardigan. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's literally like wearing a robe or blanket, but you can wear it out and kind of dress it up or dress it down. Freaking love it. I don't have many plans except for getting some homework done today. It is Sunday. Sunday is usually like my getting my life together day. I'm super sad though because I have work from 6 to close and like I said, it's already 2 o'clock. And I usually would say that I can work on Sunday, but the bar is usually not open on Sunday. But for some reason we have a show today and I was scheduled and it is the Victoria's Secret fashion show today and I freaking love the Victoria's Secret fashion show and this is the first year I would be able to watch it. I might put it on at work still, but this is definitely the first year I'd be able to watch it where I'm not feeling like absolute poop about myself because I have been grinding and I've been watching a lot of Victoria's Secret models vlog nowadays too. There's like Romy, I'll like link the Victoria's Secret models that vlog down below. They're super awesome and inspiring as well. Like Devin Windsor, Romy Street. There's a couple of them. So yeah, I'll link those down below for you guys. But yeah, I am excited to take on the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna clean, do some laundry and get my life together. So I totally forgot I had this left over, but the other day I just had a very big fail when it comes to ordering food and I've been really into sashimi, I forget, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got some tuna sashimi and I got some 2 of the, I think it's called nigiri. It's just like the sushimi with the rice underneath. So I got 2 tunas and then 2 salmons and I'm about to eat this up. I think this is either soy sauce or eel sauce on the side. I love me some eel sauce. But yeah, I stored it upside down so it looks kind of weird right now, but I am excited.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. This is all I got. Married to the game, but first I gotta shoot my shot. Should I make another album?
13 minutes remaining left before my vlog. My first Vlogmas is uploaded. I'm so freaking excited for it. I am literally so impatient when it comes to uploading, like when my video is being uploaded, because I want to edit day 2 already, but my computer just is not fast enough to be able to edit and upload at the same time. So I gotta really work on my patience, but I actually just made myself my 2nd cup of coffee for the day because today is a more productive day and I want it to be a more productive day than usual. But I'm also getting a little more hungry, so I am making just 1 little piece of avocado toast. Avocado toast is just the best because, well, I'm obsessed with avocado anyways, and I could literally eat it straight out of here. But especially when I put it on like whole grain toast, it just really fills me up. It just depends on the day. Sometimes I'll eat 3 really big meals in the day, maybe sometimes even 2 really big meals of the day. But then other days I'll just like listen to my body, kind of just intuitively eat. And as today, I'll probably eat like 5 meals in the day, you know what I mean? So what I recommend for you guys is to just listen to your body. Dieting has never really worked for me, but being able to eat healthy and stuff and eat when I want to and not restricting myself has really been what's working for me. Everyone just like has a different balance with food though. You definitely have to find what works for you and try to stick with it for a little while. It takes like 30 days to make a habit, and those 30 days are definitely the hardest because you still have a lot of cravings. And especially me, like I was eating out like every single day after I went to LA because I was on the road and I was just like always craving unhealthy food after that. But once you make the initial decision, it gets so much easier after like the first 20-30 days. And then it's like, now I crave healthy food. It's like insane how your body does that, but it's really, really awesome at the same time. So I'm about to munch on this, sip on that, pray that this next 10 minutes goes really fast. Maybe I'll throw a load of laundry in, and then we'll see where the day takes us.
They like, dude, why not? I just drop it on these hoes, they like, ooh la la. Got hot fam, yeah, I knew that shit. I'm just trying to innovate a brand new classic. Every verse a body need a damn few caskets. If they already jumping, have the fans do backflips. Y'all don't understand, this is not my life, dog. It's more than that, I'm trying to transcend icon. I swear to God, I can make more than a hype song. Every time I rap is perfection, I got my sights on. Yeah, and I ain't acting it, man. I intend to be somebody, not a flash in the pan. So I'm doing every single thing I actually can. So give your boy a second while he go and act in the plan.
So I don't have time to make an actual dinner, but I do have this other half of my avocado that I had from earlier, and I just made some toast. And to mix that baby up a little and get myself a little more protein so that I have more energy tonight at work and it keeps me full for longer, I'm going to just add a sunny side up egg to that. I'm using a cage-free brown egg. Obviously any egg that your heart desires works. And I just go ahead and crack the egg onto my little skillet here. And literally this is the easiest thing ever. All you do is take any, this doesn't even fit the pan, like it's just too big for it. Any sort of top like that, put it on and just watch it. Oh, wow. When you realize you have a shell in there. Nutritious. Voila. Takes about like 2 minutes probably. And then Garrett's gonna come pick me up in exactly 10 minutes and be my Uber to work because he's the freaking best. They picked me up. Dropping me off because he's the best. The best Uber ever. 10 stars even though it's not a thing.
Her personal driver.
So the universe was working my favor because I got off work early, just in time to watch the Victoria's Secret fashion show. So I got home at like 10 p.m. and luckily my roommates were all in the living room watching it. Like setting it all up in our living room was such a struggle last year because we don't have cable because, you know, we balling on a budget out here, but the bar had like really good concerts tonight, so I really enjoyed it, except for there was just no one, especially no one drinking, so like it was like kind of pointless for us to be there. So that's why I got cut really, really early, and then I just chilled out there. And Lexi's boyfriend brought his dog over, and I just like freaking, you don't realize how much you like puppies. I'm being quiet because they're right there. You don't realize how much you like puppies until you go to college or like go somewhere where you're like deprived of them, and then you see them and you're like, you didn't even know you had anxiety until you like start petting a puppy and you're like relieved of everything. It's amazing. So yeah, Garrett just went to see a movie with his roommates and I think he's gonna come chill. But in the meantime, I was really hungry, so I made myself an acai bowl, and I actually have a video on how to make this acai bowl, but I make it differently now. I know it's like literally only been like a month since I uploaded that video. They started selling acai puree at my grocery store, and I was really, really, really excited about that, and it's so much better for you and so good. And also I started adding goji berries and chia seeds to the top, as well as my coconut flakes in my granola, and honestly it's so amazing. Like I wish you guys knew, and it tastes like, it's just like I wish you guys could taste it through the screen. Like it's amazing. So I'm being really dramatic, I know, but I think I'm gonna watch an episode of Sex and the City while I'm waiting for him to come, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought. I always appreciate talking to you guys and making that relationship back with you guys, and I think it's been going really well the past 2 days, and I'm excited to keep it going for the rest of the month. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
take my steps, one foot up in front of the other one. It's okay, we got this, yeah. Next one up, we going for another round. Day by day, I take my steps, one foot up in front of the other one. It's okay, we got this, yeah. Next one up, we going for another round, baby. And this is all I need. 5 years ago, this